Okay, folks, example number 3. There are 2 parts. A says 1.5 times 3 1/4. B says 4 times 2 1/4. Okay. Elise, what's the first thing? I'm going to work on A first. What's the first thing I have to do? Change them to what? Improper fractions. Okay? I've got to change them to improper fractions. I can't multiply them this way. Do you see why we like to now leave them as improper fractions? Because if I want to do anything with them, I got to change it back to an improper fraction if I change it to a mixed number. Who can tell me what this first one is as an improper fraction? Jenna? Yes? 3/2, 3/2, times, who can change the next one for me? Moreau. Not 9/4, not 9, 13/4. Good, okay? Now, let me ask you this. Do you see anything, Vivian, that I can cancel? I don't see anything either. 2 doesn't go into 3 or 13, and there's nothing that goes into 4 that also goes into 3 or 13. So what do I have to do then, Vivian?
You have to multiply the,
What do you get when you multiply the numerators?
I'm sorry.
3, the numerators, the ones on top.
Okay,
You may use that calculator, but hurry up with it. 39. And what do you get on the bottom, Vivian?
6.
Not 6. Daniel?
8.
8. 2 times 4 is 8. Now let me ask you something. How did they give us the problem? In what form were the numbers when they gave us the problem, Jenna? Mixed numbers. So they're going to expect us to give it back to them in mixed numbers. Can you change that to a mixed number for me? How many 8s will fit into 39? 4. With how many left over? 4 and 7/8. We'll leave that as our answer. Is this answer okay? Is 39/8 okay, Elise? It is okay. It's fine. But the answer that they give us for homework, they're going to give it back to us as a mixed number because they gave it to us as a mixed number. Okay? Rowan, I want you to help me on this one. They want us to multiply 4 times 2 1/4. What do I need to do? Change them both to improper fractions. How do I change 4 to a fraction? I put it over 1. So 4/1 times, and Rowan, what do I get for this second one? 9/4. Perfect. Now, Emily, do you see anything that I can cancel before I multiply? Are there any numbers on the top and the bottom that have a common factor that we can cancel out? Which are they?
4.
What goes into both 4 and 4?
2.
Well, what else goes into 4 and 4? 4. 4 goes into 4 one time, and 4 goes into 4 one time. Is there anything left now for us to cancel? No. So let's go ahead and multiply, Emily. What do I get on top? 9. And what do I get on the bottom? And whenever I get an answer over 1, I just write it as the numerator. So what's our answer here, Emily? Whenever I get an answer over 1, I just get rid of the 1. Just 9. Perfect. Great job. Rowan, you have a question?
Sort of. So if you can't reduce or cancel out,
If you can't cancel before you multiply,
you don't have to.
then you won't have to reduce once you're done because that means there are no common factors. You're exactly right. So if you can't cancel, you won't be able to reduce. Okay? There.
Okay, so that kind of confused me. Is it okay if I just do long and then divide it and then put it fraction?
Yes, absolutely. Good job. Let's look at the next one. Do we have a next one? Let's see. We do have a next one. I'll see you in the next video.